Hi kids, welcome to Kids World. Today I have an interesting story for you. Come, let's go into the video. Once there lived a mom and his son Raju. Raju was very lazy. He always tried to postpone his responsibilities. Daily, he used to take leave for school.
Raju, at least today you can go to school. Sorry, ma'am. Please give me only one day holiday, ma'am. From tomorrow onwards, without fail, definitely I'll go to school, ma'am.
With some sort of lame excuses, he avoided going to school. He disliked studies and doing homeworks. Every day evening, he used to play in the garden. In that garden, one day he saw an old man sitting under a tree. The old man was feeling thirsty and was dozing. Immediately, Raju gave his water bottle to him. After drinking water, the old man said,
Thank you, my dear child. You have saved my life. I would like to give you a boon. From today onwards, I will give you 24 golden pebble stones. What? Golden pebbles? Yes, here it is. Take it with you. Daily you come to me and get 24 golden pebbles from me.
The old man was looking like a priest. On receiving the golden pebbles, Raju became happy and he purchased beautiful dresses for his mom and himself. He bought varieties of eatables. He spent all his money on purchasing things and went home. He described everything to his mom. She was very much pleased to hear this news. Every day Raju went to the garden in the evening time, and every day he acquired 24 golden pebble stones from the old man. Every day he squandered all the money on purchasing some expensive things. One day Mum told Raju,
Raju, why are you spending your money daily on expensive things? Mom, we have only one life. Let us enjoy it happily. When God has given us a chance to live happy life, why should we waste it? Raju, please listen to me. Every day you save only one golden pebble. Why don't you save it? It will be helpful for us in future. Of course, Mom. But why are you thinking about the future? We are living today's life. Let us live it happily. No, Raju. Saving money is for our security. Mom, when we get 24 golden pebbles every day, what is the need for us to save money for future? But you may get an urgent need for money in future. Okay, don't worry, Mom. From tomorrow onwards, I will save one golden pebble at least.
Raju tried to convince his mother, but every day he received 24 golden pebbles. Every day he sold the golden pebbles to his regular customers, and every day he squandered all the money in buying some luxurious products. He spent his time for some more years like this activity. He never think of saving a single golden pebble. Few years later, one day when he spent 24 golden pebbles on purchasing several dresses and gadgets, he came back home. At that time, he noticed Mum became old. She could not even walk alone. One day, her leg slipped and she fell down, and she had a severe injury in her head. Blood oozed out from her head. Immediately, Raju had to take her to the hospital. Doctor asked him to pay money to get her hospitalized, as she had to be admitted in the hospital and get operated in her head immediately. At that moment, he had not even a single money with him, but he was badly in need of money. He did not know what to do. He told the doctor to give her first aid and he would pay the bed charge for the next day. Doctor just did the first aid to save his mom. But in order to do the operation in her head and save her life, they needed certain amount of money from Raju. But Raju had no money to pay for the operation. Next day, he decided to get 24 pebble stones from the old man. Unfortunately, when he went to the garden, the old man was nowhere to be seen. Raju went in search of the old man all over the garden, but the old man was not there. In order to save his mum, Raju was seeking money. So he wanted to earn money at least through a job. He went to so many companies to do a job and earn money for a day. But all the companies asked for experience. As he had no experience of any job, he could not earn money from any company. He started to blabber.
Oh my God, please save my mom's life. I need at least one golden pebble right now to save her. Or at least give me a job to save my mom's life. Give me at least one of my spent golden pebble now. I have to save my mom's life. My mom is much more precious than my life.
Then only Raju started to realize the worth of his precious time. He wanted to save his mum somehow by doing any job. The nature of postponing any work of Raju had been transformed then. At that moment, he wanted to save every second and he wanted to earn money through every second. But he had found no time. At last, he started to ask money from his friend. He decided to borrow money from his friend.
My dear friend, my mom is very serious. I have to save my mom. Please lend me 10 pounds of money.
What? 10 pounds? To you? How will you give it to me back?
My dear friend, I'll go for a job from tomorrow onwards, earn money and will give you back.
What about today? In your life, tomorrow is a long lasting day. Using this word tomorrow, from your childhood, you have been wasting your time by postponing all your responsibilities. It is not bad postponing our work once in a while, but doing it often is an offense. It will lead to some problems. You will have to face all the following consequences.
My dear friend, it is not the right time to give me lecture.
So, I am not the right person to lend you money. I never have belief on the people who skip their responsibilities and try to avoid it by deferring. You deferred your responsibilities for years and years.
Time and tide waits for no one. So when Raju was in search of money, his mother passed away in the hospital. Raju felt sorry for whatever he had done so far in his life. If he had saved at least one gold coin per day, he would have saved his mum's life. He lost his mum now due to his carelessness. Due to his laziness, he postponed all his activities, which led him to face severe problems which he will not be able to rectify at all in his life. Children, I hope you can understand the moral of this story. Children, like the old man who gave Raju 24 golden pebbles, God has given us 24 golden hours. As Raju had not used it and wasted it, he suffered a lot. So children, you don't waste up your precious time and suffer in future. Use every second properly so that you achieve everything in this world. Do you know one secret? The people who used their time properly were become achievers. The people who wasted their time in unnecessary things were become failures. Children, you should be the achiever. So save your 24 hours properly. Don't postpone anything in your life. Children, I hope you like this story. If you like this story, tell your parents to subscribe this channel Kids World and share this video. Next time I'll come along with some other story. Thank you so much.